My name is Kyle Price, and this is the Loon Call. The Loon Call is a weekly spotlight into the past, present, and future of Caroga Arts and its programs. Each week, we will preview upcoming events while also revisiting favorite moments and memories from past seasons in Caroga Lake. This week on the Loon Call, we feature Nathan Chan and Andy Liang, longtime members of the Caroga Lake Music Festival and principal members of the Seattle Symphony. They will also be the special guests for our first Happy Hour Music QuaranTalk, taking place this Thursday, April 23rd at 5:15 p.m. Eastern. At the QuaranTalk on Thursday, we will get to have an interactive discussion with each artist and you, the viewer, about their musical journeys. To learn more about this event or any other items related to Caroga Arts, please visit carogaarts.org. Seeing that Nathan and Andy will be our special guests this coming Thursday, I wanted to go back into our Lakeside Classics archive and dig up some fun memories that they have both given us over the years. Nathan and Andy both have a way of bringing smiles to the faces of the artists and the community alike and the people they interact with. And I think this first selection and excerpt will definitely showcase what it's really like to be around Nathan and Andy on a daily basis. This is from Hawthorne Valley 2018, and it's an original arrangement done by Nathan Chan of the Mario Kart theme song.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are we doing here at Hawthorne? It was such a treat to listen to that last piece. I think it actually segues perfectly into this incredibly sorrow and soulful and guttural piece we're about to play. We've been kind of emotionally preparing ourselves for this piece for the past hour or so. On the car ride over, it takes an incredible amount of emotional capability and concentration, and so we would appreciate it if you give us your utmost attention. But in all seriousness, I think the next piece really kind of transformed the way we both lived out our childhood, and I think this incredible arrangement of this piece also speaks volumes to how, as we grow up and train so hard in this classical world, it's always important to have fun too. So please enjoy the Super Mario Brothers theme song for violin and cello.
So cool to hear that excerpt and to hear the audience engagement with the laughter, and even the artists, I think, were giggling along as we watched Nathan and Andy pull little inside jokes with each other on this great Mario Brothers theme song. Obviously, Nathan has a way of getting a hold of the audience, and you could hear that evidently in his opening speech before that Mario Brothers theme song. And another moment that's a favorite of mine was before he played the Haydn Cello Concerto Third Movement with our Caroga Arts Ensemble in Little Falls in 2018. And he had this great speech about the concerto being like the mountaintop that he's climbing. And on that note, here's Nathan Chan from that very speech in 2018, along with the first bit of the Haydn Cello Concerto Third Movement with the Caroga Arts Ensemble.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's such a pleasure to be here. I have always enjoyed my time here in the summers at the Caroga Lake Music Festival, and I'm so glad to report that this is my second summer here, and I really enjoy it. Thank you. So the piece we are about to embark on is the last movement of Haydn C, and whenever I perform this piece, I always feel like I must embody the happiest guy on earth whenever I play it. So even though right now I might be a little nervous, I must conquer my fear and summit the mountains of happiness in order to play this for you. And it is such a joy to have all my friends and colleagues here performing this wonderful masterpiece together with me. And here comes the mountain. Let's go.
So I hope you'll join us this Thursday when we talk with Nathan and Andy. I think it'll be a lot of fun. In addition to our weekly chats each Thursday that I hope you'll join us for, I'd like to also encourage you to visit our Facebook page. You can search Caroga Lake Music Festival or Caroga Arts Collective, and also look for us on YouTube, where we'll be posting our Lakeside Classics archive videos that feature some favorite moments since the music festival's inception in 2012. So to leave you off, here is an excerpt from a performance this past summer, 2019, at the Arkell Museum, featuring Casa Quartet, Nathan Chan playing Glazonoff's String Quintet in A major, and it'll be the slow movement. Hope you enjoy. Special thanks to Mark Wienert, Ronald Lau, and the Authentic City Records Company for bringing today's audio excerpts that feature performances from Caroga Lake Music Festival 2018 and 2019. Thanks for joining us on this week's episode of The Loon Call.